my boss. That every day that this man's on our side. Give me the father one. Hey, watch it. Say 1, 2, 3, 7. I don't think that you got that. You know, one big attack that told me no. One attack. The giant see one. I don't think that you got that. One big attack that told me. Say congratulations, Bella. My guy just turned Papa some few days ago. Somebody say congratulations, Bella. May God bless your child. May you reap the fruit of your labor.
Amen.
Everything what you do for your parents, your picking will do for you.
Amen.
It's been blessings upon blessings since I met this guy. I'm so happy for him.
Amen.
Pastor Bella Dangbana Shoku. Okay. want you guys to take 1 minute to appreciate the organizers of Tecrave. This is the first edition of Tecrave. It will be happening in Lagos, monthly, back to back, different artists. I'm so happy to be the first person to host you guys tonight on the Tecrave level. And I'm so glad, and I know you guys enjoyed your night. I'm so sure you enjoyed. Big ups to Godson Uyi. We planned this in less than 3 weeks. And look at the numbers. We're coming back in December. I'm dropping again and again and again and again. God bless you all for coming out tonight.
God bless you.
After party, bear up.
Let's get it.
Tonight, we drink to the glory of the Lord.
Baba said John. Baba said John. Tecrave, Zlata, and the Razor Rock.